Tired of your Hostinger site looking generic with a default background? Let's swap it for a custom image in under 5 minutes. First, we'll access the section editor. Then choose your image source, AI, free, or upload, and fine-tune the look. So let's start. Open up your site inside the Hostinger website builder. You should be looking at the main editor view right now. Go ahead and click on the section that has the background you want to change. In this case, click on Our Gallery. Just select that text or that area. Now look for the Edit section button. It should be floating right near that section. Click on it. That opens up the editing panel on the left side of your screen. And here's where the magic starts. Look for the option that says Background. Click on that. Right now, your background is probably set to a color or maybe a default gradient. We want an image instead, so click on Image. Now you'll see an Add Image button. Give that a click. This opens up your media library. On the left side of the library, you'll see a few different tabs. First, click on Images. Now this is where you have some real flexibility. You can click on AI Images to generate something completely unique. Hostinger has a built-in AI image generator, so you can type a description and get a custom background that matches your brand perfectly. It's a pretty cool option if you want something original, or if you already have a specific image saved on your computer, click on Upload Files. Find the photo on your hard drive and let it upload. This might take a moment to process, depending on the file size. Another option is to click on Free Images. Hostinger gives you access to a library of stock photos you can use for free. That's great if you need something professional and don't want to search the internet. And if you've uploaded images before, you can find them under Documents. Once you've picked your image, whether it's from AI, free images, or your own upload, go ahead and select it. Then click the Close button to exit the media library. Now your new background is in place. But let's make sure it looks great and your text is still easy to read. Find the setting called Overlay Opacity. This adds a semi-transparent layer over your background image. If your text is hard to read against the photo, increase the overlay opacity a bit. It darkens the background and makes your words pop. Play with it until it looks right. Next, check the Fixed Background toggle. If you turn this on, the background image stays in place while the rest of the content scrolls over it. It creates a really nice parallax effect. Try it and see if you like the look. Finally, click on Position. This lets you control how the image is aligned within the section. You can choose center, top, bottom, left, right, whatever makes the composition look best for your specific image. And that's it. You've gone from a boring default background to a custom image that actually represents your brand. Give yourself a quick preview to make sure everything looks good on mobile and desktop. Thanks for following along.